sale, so I'm so excited. I just subscribed to Boxycharm. I did not subscribe till the end of August, so I got my August box at the beginning of September, and I'm excited to share with you guys what I got. So for my free gift for subscribing, I got this Butter London eye palette. Really pretty colors. We'll try out a look today. And then I got some eye brushes. They are a large eye blending, a precision crease, and then a foundation brush. Really pretty colors. They know my colors. And then I got a Becca Hydra Mist powder. Excited to try this out. And Big Ego Tarte mascara. We'll try that out today. And 2 eyeshadows. Try those out today. And a eyeliner. I'm not sure if I'm going to like this. I do love my NYX eyeliner, but we'll try it out today also. And then the thing I'm most excited about is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. My skin on my face is so dry. My spray tan doesn't even stick to it very well. And so I'm really hoping that this is going to be, I just hope it fixes my problem. I've been trying so hard to get rid of this dry skin, and I'm hoping this will solve that problem. So let's try this bad boy out. I'm assuming this is going to take some time to get results, but I'm hoping that this will be good to use instead of my other moisturizer maybe. You can even hear my dry skin. It's so bad. So bad. I could probably use this entire bottle right now. My skin will just eat it up. If you guys have any tips on dry skin, I've been trying stuff. I need all the help I can get. All right, well, I mean, it doesn't feel funky or anything. I don't know if I feel like my face feels smooth or anything, but this one I'll have to use for a while to see if I like it or not. But now I'm gonna go put my face on and we'll test out all the other stuff. I'm back. So first I'm gonna try out the Becca Hydra Mist. So excited to try this. I'm gonna try this now. It comes with a little lid to help keep it cool. Oops, that sucks. Okay, so I'm gonna try the little foundation brush, I guess, that they gave me. Oh, it's like, the little screen is like squishy. Okay, here we go. Oh. Oh my God, it feels like I'm washing my makeup off. That is weird. That is too weird. Like, almost so weird. I don't know if I like it. It's so weird. So cool. I wonder how this would be on a nice hot day when you're out sweating. Definitely cool. Feels wet, like it says, so we'll see if I like that, and maybe I'll do an update on that. All right, now on to the eyeliner. Let's see if we're gonna like this. Okay, well, it went on better than I thought it would, but I don't know if I love it. I love my NYX eyeliner, but it definitely went on better than I thought it would. All right, so let's try out this eye palette, Butter London. You know, I just noticed I think this is magnetic case, so that's kind of cool. All right, and take my e.l.f. brush, and I think I'm going to start with Enchantress. Just do that in my inner. Actually, I think I'm gonna do that one like all over. I'm gonna change that one up. Go up to my brow. And then I think I'm going to do, I like the Queen. So I think we're gonna do the Queen. I love that color. Then I think I'm gonna take Diva in my inner corner. Didn't show up very well. Could be my cheap e.l.f. brushes too. I definitely got to get some better brushes. I don't really like these fluffy brushes. Definitely pretty colors. I don't know if I like how it's going on. Okay, so I'm not liking how this is going on, so I went and got myself a different e.l.f. brush, and I'm still just not liking this. I think if I was to keep using this eyeshadow, I'd probably just use it maybe for a lid on my lids. That'd probably be about it. So I'll test out my, I was gonna try this on my lid. So we will take my e.l.f. brush and see how this goes on. I don't really like that either. I'll try out my new blending brush. I feel like I look like a clown. I'll try out with my new little stick. See how this looks underneath. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how well it's showing up on camera. I think I just need better brushes to play with it. I was also going to try, I think this color maybe. That looks more like a really brown above my lashes. I think I'm liking that. Goes on pretty good. And then mixing up my brushes here. What I'll do is put a little bit more of this on. I think I need better brushes. Or just maybe know what I'm doing. That could be too. It is a pretty color. I think I need to practice. I think these are just too wild for me. A little bit better. And then we'll try out the mascara. Oh wait, I was gonna try this out in my inner corner. That's kind of pretty. Forgot my Q-tip to blend though. Got inside my eye a little bit. I don't know. What do I do with my mascara? Okay, let's try this out. Mascara works for me. Eyeliner, I'm not liking. I'll stick with my NYX. Eye makeup, I think I just need to get better brushes and maybe play with it. It's really not my colors either, but maybe after I play with this some, I might like it. I don't know. Oh yes, and I forgot. This did not work on the first try for me. I could feel my dryness putting my makeup on. I felt like I have better results with my regular moisturizer on. So I'll either use this underneath my moisturizer or just use it for a nighttime routine because it just was not getting rid of the dryness enough for me. Maybe I didn't put enough on, but God, that would take the whole bottle and that's not cheap, is it? So, prices. I paid $22.26 and all together I saved for like all my free stuff. I got everything for like $175.74 because of the free stuff. My free stuff added up to $62 and all the original goodies that I got in my box was $136 with a total of $198 value where I only paid $22.26. So I did save $175.74. Not bad. So I'm excited. I can't wait to get my September box. And when I do, I will be so excited to share that with you guys. So please do not forget to subscribe.